So here goes.
I just want it. Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? See myself? Can you see myself?
And it's time to unbox. Whoa, hold on a sec, guys. Welcome back, car enthusiasts, or should I say CENTY fans, CENTY collectors, whatever it is. Anyways, this time we have CENTY Toys, and it's the i10. You can even see this in your driveway now, or if you can't see it. Alright guys, this is a pullback action car, and the contents may vary from illustration. Keep that in mind. Anyways guys, looking at this car, it's pretty nicely detailed, so if you're here for the unboxing, you gotta wait because I'm gonna explain. Yeah, this is the first gen Hyundai i10, you know, the 2010 version. So yeah, 2010 Hyundai i10, kind of similar, right? It's cool. Anyways, getting on with the car, guys, this is not the door opening version of it because the i10 did not come with door opening version in the CENTY Toys, but still it is actually a good one, guys. So let's get to the unboxing. But before that, if you guys don't know who I am, this is Daman.s. It's right here, and I'm gonna be unboxing this car today, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are new, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more of my content, of course. Anyways guys, let's get to the unboxing right away. Kind of weird, I think I should have got the i10 first unboxed and then the i20, but I got the i20 instead. Anyway, who cares. So here goes. Alright, unboxing it. Oh, that was a pretty easy pull. Okay, it's actually out. Alright, here comes the i10, and wow guys, the first look of this car is really good. I mean, yeah, look at the front of it. It's very nice, and this is how the interior looks. Let me just give you a closer look. Yeah, that's pretty clearly the i10's interior. Good attention to detail, but I don't think the steering wheel will bulge out that much. Anyways, this is how the back looks. You have the same Sony speakers, which was in many other cars, and this is the side profile of the car. They have mimicked it really nice and good, but except for these black lines, which should have continued all over this area. Yeah, except for that, it's pretty nice, guys. So this is how the bottom looks. i10 CENTY Toys. It's pretty clean compared to all the other cars, which has a bulged out bottom, which is not so good, but equally it misses the exhaust. Yes, I hope CENTY is noticing that. Anyways, this is the back look of the car. Pretty plain and simple once again. So you get a sunroof too, and these are not door openable, which is kind of sad. So that's the overall look of this car, guys. Well, let's try the pullback. Here goes. Okay, pretty responsive. Anyways, now let's go for the info of the i10. Here we go. Now, focus your eyes on the i10 as it is its info we are going to talk about. So first, let's start off with the engine, guys. The engine, there were 3 options. I just got it down to 2. The first one is a 1-liter Kappa engine, which is actually an inline 3-cylinder, which is variable valve and timing. Yeah, it's a pretty good engine, guys. And the other one is a 1.2-liter engine, which is also a Kappa, and it's an inline 4-cylinder, which is a bit good in performance. talking about its transmission, first you have the 5-speed manual and the other one is a 4-speed automatic, so those are the two options. And talking about the horsepower, guys, the 1-liter engine produces 68 brake horsepower, which is less, and the 1.2-liter engine produces 79 brake horsepower, which is still less. Yeah, and acceleration time of this car is actually varying from 11.7 seconds to 14.6 seconds, which is a hatchback category, like a low-end hatchback category. And going for the top speed, it's actually fixed at 166 kilometers per hour, which is 103 miles per hour. I think the i10 can do better somehow. Well, talking about the body style, it's of course a 5-door hatchback. You guys knew that, right? And this car only is available in front-wheel drive. Yeah, you guys might have noticed that already. Well, that's the end of the info, guys. Thanks for watching this video. And one more thing I totally forgot to tell, the ratings part, I totally forgot about it. Anyways, I rate this car at 8, guys. 8 out of 10. Yeah, because it misses a lot of details, which kind of disappoint, as the i20 has a lot of details compared to the i10, so that part. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button and share to all your friends and family and to all the diecast fans, you know. Alright, bye, enjoy your weekend, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook to look at this cars in more detail. Bye bye, guys. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.